our second hybrid car is also electric, the Golf GTE. Let's have a look at that. Now, Mr. Welsch, we've seen the Golf GTE before, but you've evolved it, haven't you?
Well, most importantly, we've given the battery a boost. This may sound simple, but we've actually got 50% or 13 kilowatt-hours more capacity, which in a real-life scenario means that the car's all-electric emission-free range is now 60 kilometers. For most commuters, that should be enough.
But the letters GT also stand for sportiness. Is it fair to say that the Golf GTE combines the best of both worlds?
Absolutely. This is where the GTE mode comes in. In GTE mode, the two drive systems work hand in hand, and that means sporty, dynamic driving.
Mr. Welsch, thank you for your time. We just heard that the GTE stands for efficiency and great driving appeal, but the GT family has a lot more to offer.